Meet Jon. He's just joined the company and feels like there's lots to learn. That's great, we love that. We want to make it as easy as we can for him. Not only that, but we want to encourage him with some great rewards as he completes the UhUb training course. The UhUb training course is City and Guilds endorsed, so Jon knows the training will be good and help him improve. On his first day, Jon's manager gives him his login details, so whenever he gets a chance, Jon logs onto UhUb and has a look around. He sees he can create a profile and can add his photo, email and phone number. Not only that, but he can also choose in which language quizzes and tests are shown by clicking on whatever flag represents his first language. This helps a lot, as whilst Jon can speak English well, he is less confident when it comes to reading it. Now when he signs in, UhUb feels more personal. Using UhUb earns points, and points can be traded for rewards. The more he uses UhUb, the more points he earns. Very quickly, he will earn enough points to be able to choose a reward. Jon wants to be promoted, and understands that the more skills he has, the more likely this is to happen. We want to make sure Jon is able to shape his future. By clicking on Learn and Earn, Jon is taken to his lessons. He watches a training video and takes a short quiz. Each time he does this, he earns more points that go towards his next reward. Once he completes a whole module, his manager contacts him to carry out an assessment and unlocks the next set of lessons. His certificate is then available on UhUb for him to keep. Jon likes to see if he has more or less points than his teammates. The leaderboard shows everyone's scores, so he always knows where he stands. He is looking for a top spot as he will be recognised by the company and may earn a little bonus. One of the other great things about UhUb is that it can give Jon access to loads of useful information. When he needs a company form, wants to look at the employee handbook, site documents, or anything else his employer has uploaded to help him, he simply logs onto UhUb and clicks on the Documents area. Jon works hard at his job and wants to do well in the company. He knows that by doing well in UhUb could position him for a promotion. By engaging with the UhUb training course, he is able to improve his skills and be noticed and rewarded. He thought this would be just a cleaning job, but now feels he would quite like to become supervisor. So each week Jon visits UhUb and slowly works his way through the training course, earning certificates and rewards as he goes. He keeps his profile up to date, downloads any forms he needs, reads any messages from his employers, claims his rewards, and ensures his training is up to date. Soon his manager notices how well he is doing and calls him with a nice surprise.